MUYIWA ADEMOLA and RONKE ODUSANYA spark dating rumors with pre-wedding photos. Before we continue, if you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. In a surprising turn of events, Nollywood icons MUYIWA ADEMOLA and RONKE ODUSANYA have ignited dating rumors, leaving fans buzzing with excitement. The speculation took off after stunning photos and a captivating video surfaced online, hinting at what many believe to be a pre-wedding shoot. The photos feature RONKE ODUSANYA dazzling in a flowing white gown, exuding elegance, while MUYIWA ADEMOLA compliments her in a sleek, custom-tailored suit. The pair's radiant smiles and the evident chemistry between them have set tongues wagging. A behind-the-scenes video added more fuel to the fire, showing tender moments and playful banter that seem too authentic to be just an on-screen romance. Fans have flocked to social media to share their thoughts, with many celebrating the potential union of the beloved actors. Others speculate that it could be a clever promotional strategy for an upcoming film project. Close industry friends have remained tight-lipped, only adding to the intrigue. While the actors have yet to confirm or deny the rumors, their undeniable chemistry has left Nollywood fans eager for answers. What do you think? Are MUYIWA ADEMOLA and RONKE ODUSANYA truly set to tie the knot? Or is this a sneak peek at their latest project? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on this story and more Nollywood gist.